In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT not working. If ChatGPT won't load, keeps spinning, shows a network error, or just stops responding, don't worry. We're going to walk through a short, reliable workflow to get you back up and running quickly. Follow along in order, and after each change, refresh the page and test ChatGPT so you can tell what actually fixed it. First, make sure the problem isn't on the service side. Open a new tab and go to the official status page at status.openai.com. If there's an ongoing incident or maintenance, you'll see it listed there. When the status page shows a partial outage or degraded performance, the best move is simply to wait for the all clear. You can also expand the incident details to see timestamps and updates, which help you understand whether sign-ins, chat responses, or specific features are affected. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies specifically for chatopenai.com. Corrupted or stale site data is one of the most common causes of endless loading or sign-in loops. In your browser's privacy or site settings, find the option to manage cookies and site data. Search for chatopenai.com and remove its stored data. Keep in mind, this will log you out, so you'll sign in again afterward. When you're done, fully close and reopen your browser, then revisit ChatGPT and try a fresh session. If that doesn't do it, open a private or incognito window and access ChatGPT there. Incognito mode uses a clean temporary profile without your usual cache and most extensions, which makes it great for ruling out conflicts. If ChatGPT works fine in incognito, that's your clue the issue lives in your regular browsing environment, either with stored data you just cleared or with an add-on that needs attention. Finally, disable extensions and VPNs that can interfere with page scripts, cookies, or network routing. Start with ad blockers, privacy filters, script blockers, and any security tools that modify web traffic. Also pause your VPN or proxy, since some servers can block or rate limit requests. Turn them off temporarily, reload ChatGPT, and test. If it starts working, re-enable add-ons one at a time to find the culprit, or add an allow list exception for chat.openai.com so it can load resources unimpeded. That's the full process. Check the status page, clear site data, try incognito, and temporarily disable extensions or VPNs. Working through these steps methodically solves the vast majority of ChatGPT not working issues. If you found this helpful, test your setup now and note what fixed it so you can repeat it quickly next time.